Welcome to Best Picks Lab. The Best Soft Cooler is probably one of the most convenient ways to keep your food and drinks cold on the go. Whether you're heading to the beach, a picnic, or a camping trip, a soft cooler with wheels can make your life so much easier. But with so many options available, how do you choose the right one? In this video, we'll dive deep into the world of soft coolers with wheels, exploring their features, benefits, and what to look for when making your purchase. Number 5. Everlasting Comfort Insulated Backpack Cooler. This insulated backpack cooler offers ample space, capable of holding up to 54 cans. It's designed to provide more storage than other cooler backpacks, perfect for any outing. It's the perfect size for day trips and outdoor adventures. The padded, adjustable straps and handle make it easy to carry, ensuring comfort and convenience on the go. Made with premium materials and reinforced stitching, this cooler backpack is built for longevity. The heavy-duty bottom ensures it can withstand various terrains, from beaches to campsites. Featuring thick insulation and a PEVA liner, it keeps your food and drinks cold for up to 24 hours. This leak-resistant design makes it ideal for any outdoor activity. It includes dual bottle holders, a front storage pocket, and a keychain opener. This backpack offers organized storage without adding unnecessary bulk, keeping everything you need within reach. What we like. This backpack cooler can hold a whopping 54 cans, perfect for a large group or a long day out. It keeps your drinks and snacks cold for up to 24 hours thanks to its advanced insulation. If you're planning a beach day, a picnic, or a camping trip with friends, this is the ideal choice. It's spacious, lightweight, and designed for ultimate convenience. What people say. It held cans, chips, sandwiches, etc. The sheer capacity of this backpack is mind-blowing. I'm talking 54 cans and 4 pounds of ice. It'll keep your drinks cold or your food warm for a whole day. Number 4. TOURIT Soft Cooler Bag 24 Can Lunch Cooler. This cooler bag is perfect for any outing. It's designed to keep your food and drinks cold for hours, making it ideal for picnics, the beach, or even work. With a 14.6L capacity, it can hold up to 24 cans. It's the perfect size for carrying all your essentials, and it's still compact and easy to carry. The bag uses high-density insulating materials to keep your items cool for up to 12 hours. The insulated sections allow you to keep liquid food separated from dry food. The inner lining is made of waterproof PEVA material, which is easy to clean. The exterior is made of durable Oxford cloth, ensuring it can withstand wear and tear. It comes with a padded handle and a detachable shoulder strap, offering multiple ways to carry it. It also features a front pocket, 2 mesh pockets, and an adjustable elastic rope for extra storage. This cooler bag is great for storing lunches, snacks, and drinks. It's the ideal companion for travel, work, or any outdoor activity. What we like. This cooler bag keeps your food and drinks cold for up to 12 hours, making it perfect for a day trip or a work lunch. The leak-proof design ensures no spills, and the multiple carrying options provide flexibility. If you're looking for a reliable and versatile cooler for your daily needs, this is a great option, offering both convenience and peace of mind. What people say. The cooler has a sturdy handle and wheels, making it easy to transport. The cooler kept ice for multiple days. The cooler is well designed with plenty of storage space. Number 3. DBEST Ultra Compact Cooler Smart Cart. This soft-sided cooler is fully insulated and leak-proof. It can hold up to 36 cans plus ice. It's perfect for keeping your drinks and snacks cold. The cart features 4 dual spinner wheels, providing 360-degree mobility. The wheels have rubber threads for improved traction, making it easy to maneuver. Made with high-quality polyester and a heat-sealed PVC liner, this cooler is built to last. It's designed to prevent any leaks, ensuring your item stays safe and dry. It includes a zipper-concealed mesh beverage holder and a front zipper pocket. You can keep your beverages, sunscreen, plates, napkins, and utensils organized. This is ideal for a day at the beach, a picnic in the park, or camping. It replaces your beach bag, backpack cooler, and lunchbox, making it a versatile choice. What we like. This rolling cooler features 4 dual spinner wheels for easy maneuverability, allowing you to glide effortlessly across various terrains. It's durable and leak-proof, ensuring your items stay secure. If you like to go to the beach, park, or camping, this cooler is a perfect alternative to a traditional ice chest, offering both convenience and style. What people say. The cooler has a sturdy handle and wheels, making it easy to transport. The cooler kept ice frozen for multiple days. The cooler is spacious and can hold a lot of items. Number 2. Igloo Voyager Series Soft-Sided Cooler. This soft-sided cooler is designed for easy carrying. It features an adjustable shoulder strap and a top carry handle, making it perfect for any outdoor adventure. Take it with you camping, hiking, or to a family picnic. With a spacious interior, it can hold up to 40 12-ounce cans. It measures 13.5 inches long, 12.75 inches wide, and 13.5 inches tall, providing ample space for your drinks and snacks. Advanced insulation ensures that your food and drinks stay cold. You can enjoy cold beverages and fresh snacks all day long, whether you're at the beach or the lake. It has multiple compartments to keep everything organized. The 2 separate internal main compartments keep contents secure. There is also an outer front slip pocket for smaller items. The Max Gold insulation technology helps to keep your items cooler for a longer time. This feature ensures that your food and drinks stay at the perfect temperature. What we like. This soft-sided cooler is designed for comfortable portability, with an adjustable shoulder strap and a top carry handle. It can hold up to 40 cans, making it ideal for a day at the beach or a family picnic. If you are looking for a cooler that's easy to carry and keeps your items organized, this is a great choice. It offers convenience and ample storage space. What people say. It is very sturdy and made well. It kept everything cold and the ice didn't melt. Folds down to be very compact. It does a very good job keeping stuff cold for a soft cooler. The Velcro access on top makes it easy to access the contents without opening the entire lid every time. Number 1. Coleman Xtreme 50 QT Rolling Cooler. This cooler utilizes Xtreme technology to keep ice for up to 5 days, even in temperatures as high as 90 degrees Fahrenheit. It's an efficient solution for keeping your drinks cold for extended periods. This portable cooler can hold up to 84 cans, making it ideal for beach trips or camping. It provides ample space for all your beverages and snacks. Equipped with durable wheels, this cooler easily traverses any terrain. This makes it a perfect choice for outdoor adventures, whether at the beach or a campsite. The leak-proof drain simplifies water removal, eliminating the need to turn the cooler upside down. This feature enhances the overall user experience. The lid can support up to 250 pounds and doubles as a seating area. This adds extra convenience, making it a versatile addition to your outdoor gear. It features a telescoping handle for easy pulling and compact storage. This design ensures convenient transport and storage. This product is assembled in the USA, ensuring quality and supporting local manufacturing. What we like. This rolling cooler uses Xtreme technology to keep ice for up to 5 days, making it perfect for extended trips. It has a large capacity, holding up to 84 cans, and features durable wheels for easy transport. If you are planning a long camping trip or a weekend getaway, this cooler is a reliable choice, offering both long-lasting cooling and convenient mobility. What people say. The cooler boasts a robust and sturdy construction. The lid is well insulated and seals tightly, which is essential for maintaining the internal temperature. The lid has built-in cup holders, which we did not use, but I am sure are very handy for picnics. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.